Up first this evening, a day before Christmas, and there's renewed hope for hundreds of Jamaicans in the dark. Sections of Black River St. Elizabeth are set to receive power in a matter of hours.
The Jamaica Public Service Company made the announcement today as they revealed that close to 90% of customers have received power following the hurricane. We have the details in this report.
It's the day before the hurricane, and there's light at the end of the tunnel for scores of hurricane victims who've been left in the dark. This was JPS CEO Hugh Grant in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth on Wednesday.
On this day, day 57, since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, we have restored 88% of our customers.
For the people of Black River specifically,
we have come up with some creative solutions and streamline our work to have power restored to Black River Hospital, the town of Black River, the police station, and also to some major centers by tomorrow night.
and while the progress of restoring electricity in affected areas has been steady, Mr. Grant warned that the hardest work still lies ahead. He explained that the remaining outages are likely in remote areas where the terrain is rugged. However,
our commitment is firm. We will not stop until all customers are safely restored.
For his part, Energy Minister Darrell Vaz commended the JPS for their aggressive and coordinated restoration effort to date. He also doubled down on the government's decision to lend JPS $150 million to support the restoration effort, a matter which has not found favor with the parliamentary opposition.
Let me just make it clear to all who are here, all who have eyes to see and ears to hear. If I had to do it again, I would lend you the $150 million every day and twice on Sunday because the people want light. We are seeing the results of the light. We have 300 linesmen here across the western parishes.
He went further, arguing that extreme times require extreme actions.
We can't continue to operate in normal times and expect to get the results that we need to get. And therefore, I prefer to act now, do what needs to be done now, and we can debate as many times as you want next year after everybody get back light. My job as minister and my job as a member of the Andronis-led administration is to deliver to the people.
Anthony